Condamned. That was fast. We got right up here.
I love it. Come on! How you guys do something at my front door?
I'm sorry.
Come on! There's so much to see! You're gonna love it!
It's a lot of
No,
rats.
you will. You hate it?
I don't think any of them are pistachio.
Same thing. Love it.
That was fun.
Oh, it's on my feet. Oh, what is that? Oh, kitty. Oh my god. Oh, hello. Hi. Oh my god. I like your house, baby. It's yeah. Oh my god. Ew. Oh my god. Ew. There's so many mops and yet nobody cleans this place.
Yeah, you know what you do.
I think
they repurpose the mops. This is
the clean version.
Oh my god, more rats. I'm like cute penguin. Oh, that's security. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Sounds on ceiling. That is not.
Boo!
Hi. Oh, these towels are crazy. Jeez.
Oh my god!
Oh, they're there. It's really dark in there. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Oh god. This is so nasty. Oh, okay. This is like me and the boy. Like all of these little tunnels in the house. Jeez. Oh my god.
Hey!
Come here. A little bit. Just a little. Being cautious, making sure we may not be out of danger yet. This looks like. Oh my god, they have a dog. Well, that's a scary dog.
Fluffy.
I don't like that dog. Fluffy.
I like all dogs. Fluffy can come home with us.
Fluffy cannot come home with us. Absolutely not.
Fluffy can come home with me.
Okay, Lauren's gonna have to find another ride if she's taking Fluffy. Fluffy's
Fluffy
the dog.
was a dog.
You guys need Jacob?
Who is Jacob? Wait, you wanted the cat from the other maze, though. I think we can all have
Okay,
pets.
but there's a difference between a cursed object and like a dog that like, is it a wolf? Is it a werewolf? Is it like rabid? We don't know.
It's a baby that needs a family.
I will take the curse.